Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Dr Fluffypants from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the nose at the top. Let's draw a curve across for the top. Then underneath, let's curve it in and down towards the center. And now let's color the nose in black. Now let's move underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw a curve out and up at the end. And the same thing going out to the right. Now let's add the teeth underneath. We'll start with two curved V shapes. And then another set of smaller ones. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's hop up and draw the eyes. Let's start with circles on either side of the nose. And now let's draw the pupils inside with another set of circles. And now let's color both of these in black. Now let's hop up and draw another set of eyes that's a little bit smaller and closer. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve across the top. Then from the ends, let's bring it down. Next, let's draw the horns. From the top of the head, let's draw curved lines out. Then from the ends, let's curve it up and in. And now let's do the same thing on top. Now let's hop down under each horn and let's draw a curved shape down and then back up to the head. And the same thing on the other side. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the arms. From the bottom of the head, let's draw a curved line out and down from both sides. Then let's angle it out and curve it down at the end. Now let's move underneath and draw the other side of the arm. Let's draw an S-shaped curve down. And then from the end, let's curve it down on both sides. Now let's draw the hands at the end. Let's start from the inside and let's draw 2 lines down for the thumb. And now a curved triangle at the end for the nail. Now let's draw the next finger going down in the same way. And then 2 more fingers in the same way next to it, getting slightly smaller as we go out. And then a diagonal line to close off the hand. And that's it for the hands. Next, let's hop back inside and draw the body. From underneath the arms, let's draw 2 angles down for the sides of the body. Then let's curve it out and down for the legs. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a small curve. And then bring it down from both ends. Now let's add the feet at the bottom. We'll start by angling it out from the ends of the legs. Now in between, let's draw a U-shaped curve for the first toe. And then let's curve each side in, like this. And lastly, let's hop inside and draw a large heart on the chest. And that's it for Dr. Fluffypants. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!